Happy Monday, everybody. I heard that some people were not getting emails when I was posting new stuff on Google Classroom. So I went through and tried to remedy that. So please, if you're seeing this on Google Classroom but it didn't send to your email, let me know and we'll figure out what needs to happen. The mini lesson is getting posted today, so make sure to do that. I'm not going to post a new one on Tuesday. Make sure you get this mini lesson done Monday and Tuesday, and then there will be a new one on Wednesday, so you'll have work for Wednesday and Thursday. As always, my office hours will be open. Feel free to call me, text me, Google Meet me. I will be here to help you through this with anything you need. If you did not complete any work from last week, do it now. I will not count a late grade, but you should get it done. All right? And now for the mini lesson. All right, if you have not read or listened to this passage yet, pause this video, read the passage, or go ahead and listen to it. I'm not going to read it during this video. As you read, if you notice there's words that are bold, those have definitions over here to the right. So if there's a word you don't know that's highlighted, you can check in the right-hand margin for the definitions. If there's one that's not bold, as always, just look it up on your computer. Each question is going to deal with a specific passage. So it will tell you question 1, paragraph 1. Question 2, paragraph 2. Right? So if you've already read it or listened to it, as you answer these questions, you should be able to just bounce over to that paragraph and answer the question. I'm big on knowing where I'm headed as I read. So know that question 5 is where we're headed. What role do the stories about Andrew Johnson and William Parson Brown play in the structure of the text? So in order to answer this question, we have to know what is the key idea of the text and why would it include these two stories of these two men in paragraph 9. That's where you're going to find it. Paragraph 9 is the story of these two men. So this whole passage is about how Tennessee, right? East Tennessee is different from West Tennessee and Middle Tennessee. And all of the questions have to do with how does, for example, question 2, paragraph 2, how does East Tennessee differ from Middle and West Tennessee according to the author? A, it has natural beauty unlike the rest of Tennessee. East Tennessee did not vote to join the Confederacy unlike the rest of Tennessee. C, it is vexing to the rest of the country. Or D, the Union was more interested in East Tennessee and the rest of the country. The answer, I'll just give you this one. The answer to B, if we look at paragraph 2, how did it differ? The two regions had more in common than just natural beauty. East Tennessee was fiercely independent and often contrarian in its political currents, especially during the Civil War. When Middle and West Tennessee's citizens voted on June 8, 1861, to join the Confederacy, most East Tennessee voters rejected the call. So it's saying Middle and West Tennessee citizens voted to join the Confederacy. That meant they were going to fight with the South to keep slavery. Meanwhile, East Tennessee would not join the Confederacy. They wanted to stay part of whole America. So this main idea in paragraph 2 is that East Tennessee differs from Middle and West Tennessee because, which one? A, it has natural beauty unlike the rest of Tennessee. B, East Tennessee did not vote to join the Confederacy unlike the rest of Tennessee. C, it is vexing. D, the Union was more interested in East Tennessee than the rest of the country. So now we kind of know this whole article is going to be about how is East Tennessee different than the rest of Tennessee, and what kind of arguments and debates make up Tennessee? All right? So as you're reading and realizing, okay, East Tennessee is different, right? The state of Tennessee was born in 1796. So too was the rivalry between East and Middle and later West Tennessee. So we know that there's a fight between East, Middle, and later West Tennessee. So now, once you've read it and answered these questions, let's go back to answer question 5. What role do the stories about Andrew Johnson and William Parson Brownlow play in the structure of the text? Remember, you're answering, why would the author include these at all? So go ahead and skip to paragraph 9. Read paragraph 9 and tell me, how does it influence that main idea that East Tennessee is different from all other parts of Tennessee? Right now, pause the video, go ahead and answer those multiple choice questions, and come back and let's answer the paragraph response. Okay. Remember, when writing a paragraph, you want to turn the prompts into your topic sentence. We're struggling a little bit with this, so let's practice the first sentence together. How can we change this into our first sentence of the paragraph? So you could start by saying, the stories of Andrew Johnson and William Parson Brown are included in the text because ... Finish it. Or you could say, the stories of Andrew Johnson and William Parson Brown play a structure in the text by, right? The stories of Andrew Johnson and William Parson Brown play a role in the structure of the text by... And then your answer to number 4 should really help you answer this question, along with thinking through, what does this do for the overall text? Okay? Just 5 questions, 1 paragraph response.